Welcome back to the I Want to Learn English Writing Journey for Beginners. In Activity 20, we're going to be practicing editing. Now that you are becoming more familiar with the mechanics of writing and adding details, you will also need to be able to recognize errors and correct them on your own. If you look in your textbook, the question is asked, why practice editing? Editing your work is very important. When you edit, you fix mistakes like spelling, grammar, and punctuation. You also make your ideas clearer so other people can understand you better. When you write, we don't always get it perfect the first time, and that's okay. Editing helps us do a number of things like fix mistakes. If you don't go back and look at what you wrote, you won't see where your mistakes may be. This takes time to refine, so practicing is crucial. Make sentences easier to read. If your sentences have mistakes, or if it isn't aligned with the sequential order, or if it is riddled with spelling mistakes, the reader will have a difficult time trying to figure out the message of what you wrote. Share ideas clearly. I think it's obvious if you write something that is unorganized and unclear, it will be hard for anyone to understand it. This is why good writing takes practice, and editing is a big part of learning to write as well. Okay, it's time to get to work. The direction says, read the paragraph below. It has several errors in grammar, punctuation, and capitalization. Rewrite the paragraph on the lines provided, fixing all the mistakes. Take a look at the paragraph. Yesterday, my friend Maria and I went to the park. We played soccer with our friends. It was fun, but I fell and hurted my leg. Maria said, "Don't worry, you will be okay. Later, we eat ice cream at the park cafe." Take a look at the hint. It outlines what to look for: capitalization, punctuation, and grammar. Pause the video now and make your corrections. All right, the first thing you should have noticed is the first word in the paragraph, yesterday, should be capitalized. Also, the pronoun I and the names Maria and Park Cafe should also be capitalized. There is a period missing after we play soccer with our friends. There's a comma missing after it was fun, and a period after my leg. The verb hurt it is incorrect. It should not have the ed. The sentence should read, it was fun, but I fell and hurt my leg. There's a comma missing after Maria said, followed by a quotation mark, and the word don't needs an apostrophe. A period is needed after don't worry, you will be okay, followed by another quotation mark. Later needs to be capitalized, followed by a comma. Eat needs to be in the past tense, ate, and a period is needed at the end. So, how did you do? Still need a lot of work, do you? Let me know in the comments section below how you did on this activity. It may be good practice to do this activity again from the beginning to get a better feel for finding mistakes. I realize we did not cover the past tense in this book, and if that was an issue for this activity, let me know in the comments section as well. There will be an emphasis on the past tense in a later publication. Be sure to like and share this video and visit our website at iwtle.com for updates and articles related to language learning. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already so you don't miss any future videos. Until next time, keep working on your writing skills.